Hey yo, quick video on the statewide assessment. Now here coming up in February, you're going to end up seeing a new course come into your account, and it's going to look a lot like, let me see if I can get myself a color here. It's going to look like this, the Spring 2023 Math 123 outcomes, and you're going to go, what? Don't worry, okay? You don't have to do anything with it. You can just ignore it. So when that pops up in your course, in your account, just don't worry. All right, so that's going to come into your account. Great. Ignore it until we get to, I lost my piece here, until we get to Module 8. All right, so, okay, so, what is that? Oh, exit drawing. Whew, you guys, I don't know how to use my computer. Okay, so it's going to come into your course in February. You're going to ignore that. When we get to Module 8, which is the end, right, the last week, you are going to see, again, I'm going to draw here, statewide assessment. So when we get to Module 8 and you're preparing for the final exam, you will go into this statewide assessment, and it's going to link out, and this is not going to work for me because I'm not a student in that course and it's not open yet. But you're going to see, and you're going to click here, and it's going to take you to a test. Now, this is worth 5% of your grade. All right, so you have two tries at this. So make sure you do your best. This is a good practice for the final, but you have to do this. It's part of your grade. It's 5% of your grade, and we know how weighted averages work, right? So you're going to click here, you're going to go in, and you're going to go ahead and do that for 5% of your grade. So that's what it lives in that separate course. So after you complete it, you're going to see that the grade does not automatically populate, because this is everybody who takes Math 123 in the entire state takes this final prep exam test assignment type thing, and it's really just a conglomeration of what you did over the course. And so we can just make sure we're highlighting the right things in the course. And then after the due date, which is March 12th, the day that the final is due, I will go in and take your scores from there and transition them into our grade book. That's a manual process that I will do probably on March 13th. Okay. So you can see there's a lot of things that go into the final. We will talk about these more in our live class, but I know that when that course pops into accounts, a lot of people get a little bit nervous. So I just wanted to throw this out, that is what the statewide assessment is. That's what it's about. And yes, it is part of your grade. So more to come. Talk soon.